So, hello everyone. Once again, welcome to Skill Enrichment Program. It's the fourth and last day of the program, and today the topic we are going to discuss about is on self-leadership. Yeah. Okay. So before I start with the session, let's do one thing. Nowadays we are doing so many things virtually. So this another exercise I am asking you to do virtually, right? So what you have to do, just hold a virtual cup in your hand. Can you please everyone open your camera so that I can see you doing this activity? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so hold a virtual cup in your hand. Yeah, right. And put all your worries in this cup, right? You can close your eyes. Since morning, whatever troubles you have faced, whatever wrong has been, it has happened with you, or somebody has said something to you, किसी पे गुस्सा आया, किसी ने गुस्सा किया, or even the past memory of last, few days, or maybe something which is disturbing you, one by one, specifically and consciously thinking those particular things one by one, put those all in this cup. Pick out one by one, specifically one by one, and putting in the cup. Okay जी, close your eye. कोई काम बिगड़ गया और कोई काम रह गया, pending है, you're not able to do. Something you planned, you're not able, and this is disturbing you right now. कल किसी ने कुछ कहा था, still it is in your mind, just throw it in this cup. Take it out from the mind. Just think that आप उस बात को ऐसे पकड़ के दिमाग से निकाल रहे हैं, and you're putting this in this virtual cup in your hand. Are you done with all the thoughts, disturbances? Cup is filled?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So do one thing. इस कप को जोर से नीचे गिराइए और पैर के नीचे इसे अच्छे से just crush this cup बुरी तरीके से, and have a feeling कि आपने अपनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को अपने पैरों के नीचे ऐसे ऐसे करके दबा दिया, and you are free and relaxed. Everyone, are you with me?
Yes.
So are we
Yes.
done?
Yes. Yes.
So feeling relaxed, all the problems there.
Yeah.
चलिए, सब क्रश कर दिया पैरों के नीचे. दिमाग थोड़ा हल्का हो रहा है.
Yes.
Okay, I need yes from everyone, please. All the worries and
Yes.
troubles, disturbances, anything which is, blocking you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Mm.
So now what we will do, we will start. I'll give you few. First of all, we are going to do a self-leadership checkup. Okay? So are you all ready for your checkup?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So I am sharing screen. There will be few questions coming on the screen, and I hope you must be having a copy and pen with you.
Yes.
Okay, great. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, shall I start? So the first checkup starts with who. Okay, and it is like, take it more like a rapid fire. What
Okay.
comes, because this is the thing where your subconscious will play more. Okay, so who do you think you are? And then who do you want to be? Who are you really? Who can you become? And who can you help? We will move to the next slide once you all are done with these answers, and I would recommend not put much stress, answering these questions. Just do it like first thing coming to your mind. Done? Okay, I am moving to the next slide now. Next, what you can read is, any one of you can read it for me?
May I read, ma'am?
Yeah, please.
What do you do?
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
Hmm.
What should you be doing? What could you do that would really make a difference? And the last one is, what would you do if you knew you failed?
So everyone, please start answering these questions. What do you do? What do you want to do? What should you be doing? What could you do that would really make a difference? And what would you do if you knew you can fail? Shall I move to next slide? So now who will read it for me? Anyone? The next questionnaire is for where?
Yeah, ma'am. I can.
Yeah, please.
Like, where are you going? Where do you want to go? Where should you be going? Where is your ultimate destination? And where should your life direct others
That
to?
others do. Yeah. If any kind of doubt you have in any in question, you can please ask me. So where is all about where are you going? Where do you want to go? This particular we are talking about a life, right? So where should you be going? And where is your ultimate destination? And where should your life direct others to? क्या है आपके पास इन सवालों के जवाब? कितने सवाल अब तक ऐसे है? You have found that I have never answered this question in my life.
More than 10.
Okay. So moving to next slide. How? Now who will read?
Okay, I'll read.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, please.
How? First one is, how do you live your life? Second one is, how do you want to live your life? Third one is how should you live your life? And fourth one is how can you change? And last is how can you impact others?
So all the hows should be answered. How do you live your life? How do you want to live your life? How should you live your life? How can you change? And very important, how can you impact others? And if any answer is not coming, just leave it blank. Shift to the next question. If this is not clear at this point of time, no issues with that. Pretty normal. Life is all about exploring answers. Shall I move to next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
And how many of you are finding this checkup very detailed kind of thing? You know, MRI, there is something happening. Dimag ka, you know, scanning, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So the next is why. Show me your presence, guys, please. Who will speak this slide now?
Can I go for the same?
Bilkul, sure.
So the first question is, why are you here? Why does it matter? Why should you change? Why should I believe you will do anything differently as a result of attempting these questions?
Now that's very important. Why should I believe you will do anything differently as a result of attempting these questions? और आप यहाँ क्यों हैं? कितना ये आपके लिए जरूरी है, मायने रखता है और आपको क्यों बदलना है?
I haven't really thought of these questions.
So give time to yourself. Try attempting because nobody is going to look at your answers. It's just for you only. You're working. Just do it for yourself. I'm not going to ask any of the answer from you. This is self-checkup.
Why does it matter?
I have only given you few of the questions which should be with you. When, you know, sometimes we don't know where life is taking us, what is the purpose, how to achieve things, why this is happening to me. So these are the normal questions we have, but you know, this questionnaire should be with you. Please mute your mics. So done, everyone? Okay, Ji. Now moving forward. What is self-leadership? Now, first of all, I would like to have some of the, you know, what you will say, like explanations or your understanding about this particular topic, and how does it differs from leadership? See, there is no marks, no exam is going on. You're open to talk. Let's make it an interactive session.
Can you repeat your question?
What is self-leadership and how it is different from leadership?
It's actually, according to me, leadership is nothing but people management. And to manage people, you should manage yourself first. If you are not managed, you are not disciplined, you cannot manage a team.
Okay. Any other answer from anyone else?
Yes, I'm writing.
Yeah, please. Should I continue with the screen sharing now? Nobody is going to answer. Any other understanding you have about this self-leadership? Okay.
Yes, madam, I would like to speak.
Please,
See,
sir, please.
yes. See, before it is rightly said, okay, that before we change the world, we should change ourselves. So what I mean to say, if you want to be the role model or the perfect example for others as a leader, so first of all, you should set an example. So before we expect something from other people, so you should introspect yourself only. So what I mean to say, suppose if you are expecting the sincerity and the punctuality in the work from others, so you yourself should be sincere in your work. So then only you can be the leader for others. So what I mean to say, for the leadership means, self leadership and leadership. The difference I believe is that so first of all, you set yourself on all the ethics or the professionalism, and then only you can have its a reflection in your leadership. This is what I believe.
Right, sir. Right. So with time, like intentions change, your roles change, right? So with that, you should be more aware about whom, about see
Ourselves.
ourselves, right? So intention and identity will change with the advancement, right? The way you will advance in your life, and need to impact others will also increase. जितना जितना हम लाइफ में आगे बढ़ेंगे उतना ही हमें लोगों को इम्पैक्ट भी करना है एंड द मोर सेल्फ लीडरशिप वी हैव द मोर we attain success and more we get success in life the more we require self leadership. Do you agree with this thing? To be more successful you require more self leadership. How many of you
Yes.
agree with this? Type
Yes,
yes
ma'am.
please.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yeah, can I give my views also, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Please, sir.
Yeah, in the emotional intelligence, the word is called understanding self, understanding others. When I talk about understanding self, it means self-awareness and self-management. If I know how I work, what is my mood, what makes me work harder, what is my motivational forces, if I know all that and if I work on that, it means I am doing self leadership.
Very true, sir. Very true. Very
Self
true.
leadership, and I use that learning and then interact with the environment. It is the other part of emotional intelligence, understanding self, understanding others. Then if I understand well self, if my self leadership is in place, I'll be able to interact with the environment in the right manner. That is what my understanding.
Very true, sir. Very true. True. So
Thank you.
I hope you can see the slide, everyone. So self-leadership, how does it differs from leadership? In leadership, what we do, we try to influence others, right? But in self-leadership, what we can do, we can observe and manage ourselves. And what is it leads to mature adulthood? What is mature adulthood? It is a stage where you could observe your emotions, where you could see what is happening, how you are responding to the things. You can observe everything. But it is like almost only 3% of people could reach this stage actually in life. Everyone, it's like 3%. बहुत कम लोग इस, which people who can say like they are mature, has attained this level in their life that they can observe. So in leadership, we put authority on others. They decide our beliefs, morals, code of conduct. Are you with me? In leadership में हम क्या करते हैं? We put authority on others.
Yes.
And in self-leadership, we become more responsible.
Yeah.
लीडरशिप जब हम करते हैं उसमें हमें फर्क पड़ता है दूसरे क्या कह रहे हैं, व्हाट दे डिसाइड फॉर अस, दूसरों का मॉरल अगर कुछ और है, कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट कुछ और है, वी डील आवर लाइफ, वी लीड आवर लाइफ एज पर पीपल. बट इन सेल्फ लीडरशिप वी टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ आवर ओन लाइफ. Okay, how many of you do self-criticism? How many of you do self-criticism? Like कैसे तो हो ही नहीं पाएगा, छोड़ यार, नहीं हो सकता, बहुत कोशिश की.
Ma'am, me.
Okay. And anyone else? Please be honest to yourself. It's
I'm
not
during my
about me and others. It's about you only. How many of you do?
during my CA exams, I used to tell myself that you can't do it, you can't do it. But at last, it was done. But sometimes it comes to mind that we can't do this, like criticizing ourselves that if
So
we
how
can't.
occasionally you criticize yourself? It's like
Depends on situation.
depends on situations. Okay. और अपने से प्यार कितने लोग करते हैं? That you pat yourself. You are self-compassionate.
Yeah.
तो शुभम, you do both things. कभी कभी डांट भी लगाते हो?
बिल्कुल एक फ्रेंड, अपने आप से एक फ्रेंड की तरह रहना चाहिए. दोनों
Okay.
से ठीक है.
So please tell me, can a successful leader use criticism and judgment to influence another person in a positive direction?
Like father, मतलब जैसे father होता है, मतलब बच्चों को मतलब दोनों तरीकों से कहता है. मतलब कभी कभी उनका अच्छे वे में कहता है, उनको प्यार से. कभी कभी उनको डांटते भी हैं, कुछ करते भी हैं उनको, तो वो भी उसके लिए बेटरमेंट के लिए होता है. मतलब मुझे तो लगता है कि अगर लीडर है वो कर सकता है वो चीज, मतलब अगर बेनिफिशियल के लिए उस चीज के.
क्या जजमेंट यहाँ पे उसको पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में इन्फ्लुएंस करेगी? इफ आई हैव अ जजमेंट अबाउट समवन, or if I am taking as per my thought process and my what I think about that person, I am giving advice or talking to that person in that way, will I be able to influence that person in a positive direction?
Judgment, like perception depend करता है, उनका कुछ और perception कुछ और.
Please read the specific word, a successful leader. I'm not talking about a leader. That's what we are, why we are having this session. We are having self leadership का session because इतना तो सबको पता है करना चाहिए. Like you said कि parents को करना चाहिए. But nowadays there are a lot of coaching happens on parenting also कि ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. There are other ways also of positive parenting where you can talk assertively with your children. Either we know a way of being aggressive or being passive, right? But there is a way of being assertive also. So can a successful leader use criticism and judgment to influence another person in a positive direction? A big no. So what is self-leadership? Self-leadership is guiding yourself with gentleness, humility, compassion. Please carefully read the last line, this particular 2-3 words, throughout daily existence. Throughout daily existence. Do we do this thing daily?
No.
No. But what is self-leadership now? This is, we need to understand this thing that SL is guiding yourself with gentleness, not criticism. Please understand that's very important thing. Gentleness, humility, and compassion with your daily existence.
आशिमा मैम, आई गेस जो क्रिटिसिज्म और जजमेंट होती है वो नेगेटिव डेंट हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड पे मार देते हैं.
हाँ जी, राइट.
तो वो पॉजिटिव वे में नहीं जाता है. लर्निंग में भी हो जाए पर वो डेंट जरूर आ जाता है. इवन पेरेंट्स हमें किसी चीज पे डांटते हैं कुछ भी है तो एक डेंट पड़ जाता है. ऑफ कोर्स हमारी डिटर्मिनेशन या कुछ भी हो जाएगी फॉर द टाइम बिंग हम कर देंगे.
वेरी ट्रू श्वेता. द थिंग इज लाइक आगे बढ़ने के लिए we need power, and this criticism is like it is draining the power. If the power will not be there to give any improvement, to rise, to grow, so how will we get results? Once we are feeling low, we are thinking all the negative things about myself, your own self, and on the other hand you are expecting from yourself to get success, or you are compelling your mind to give you positive thoughts, positive solutions. No, because the focus is where? focus is on the criticism. You have never loved yourself. If you will love yourself, then only your mind, your heart, it will also respond you back in a positive way. You will find the solutions, right? Okay.
It is
Why?
like what we think.
Yeah, Tarun, please.
It is like what we think, what we the same way behave. जो हम सोचते हैं उसी तरह हम behave करते हैं, तो something like that.
जैसा वो तो है ही, आप जैसा सोचते हैं वैसा बिहेव करते हैं, लेकिन अब वही मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम वी बिहेव एज पर द सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. एंड ये सबकॉन्शियस बना कैसे हमारा, जो हमने देखा सिंस बर्थ. अभी हम अपने पेरेंट्स से, एंड इवन व्हेन वी यू ऑल, सम ऑफ यू आर ऑलरेडी पेरेंट्स, कुछ बनेंगे, हमने जो सीखा, जो देखा, जो प्रैक्टिस में लाया, वही हम करेंगे आगे. ट्रू. सो इफ वी विल बी डूइंग द सेम थिंग, so this is the right time to change yourself, to bring these all changes in you. Only then, once it will be a practice, then it will go in your subconscious mind, and once day it will become your behavior. It's a long process. It's not like aaj you have attended this session and from tomorrow onwards things will just, you will start getting in your reactions. I hope it is clear, everyone. But my question is, why self leadership is rare? क्यों रेयर है, क्यों दिखता नहीं है, क्यों हम परेशान है? वी कैन सी that people are rushing for leadership. They want to be leader, they want to have authority on people, but they cannot have this authority, that responsibility of their own self. Why it is rare? Anyone?
Ma'am, maybe because...
excuse me, ma'am. Yes, sir. Please carry on, sir.
No, sir. You continue. I'll add on to that. You continue, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you very much. So, what I believe, ma'am, see, there is a lack of introspection, okay, in the leaders. So, being the principal of the institution, I am also playing the role as the leader in my educational institution. So, generally, what happens, what I have observed and noticed, that leaders try to means they always think how they can influence others, and how can they get the work done from others, how they can be the taskmaster. So what I mean to say, their focus is generally on other people, so they never focus on themselves. So what I believe, generally this happens that leaders never introspect themselves, and they never think of what is the deficiency in them, what is lacking in them, and means before they talk to somebody, so they should introspect, they should think and rethink, So what I mean to say, before they act, they should they need introspection. So instead of that, they start influencing others, monitoring others, and getting the work done from others. So they're more focusing on the others only, instead of the focus on the self. This is this
is all about self leadership, sir. But the point is, who stops you to do this? Why it is still rare? If you, many of us, you people are saying this is self leadership, ye karna chahiye, wo karna chahiye. My question is, who stops you? Why is it still rare? That's the question to understand. But that's why we are doing this session today. Everybody knows what is good and bad, what you need to do. Every day you get so much of these motivational messages. People tell you, think positive. Who stops you?
Commitment.
Okay.
Sometimes like society, sometimes we ourselves stop us.
Yes, Shubham, you said it right. Society, but society, तो जो है सो है. What you are taking from the society, that matters. Now the idea and the scenario is of looking as a celebrity CEO, right? We don't admire, or kind of in life also, we don't see like the person is more authentic or good at self leadership. What we see like, okay, this is the face, ये सब है, अच्छा सा पैसा है. तो आजकल मैटर क्या कर रहा है? पैसा, position. So that's why majority of the society considers this more. Today I was wondering on this thing also. कि when this Sushant Singh Rajput case happened, people came up with a lot of support. But otherwise, when someone starts some startup, how much you support? What we do? At that point of time, we ignore that person. Or if, let's suppose, I have started a YouTube channel, and if you see there are very few subscribers, you will not get attracted towards that person's channel. You will see, oh, aise yoga, because there are very few. And once the person will get paid subscribers, you will be attracted towards that channel ki kuch to hoga, let me go and listen to that person, and you give views to that particular channel. And the same way happens with the Facebook page. But nowadays everything is like saleable. अब हर चीज बिकाऊ है, आप पेड है, आप पैसा देके खरीद सकते हैं, ऑथेंटिसिटी है ही नहीं. And this is what the trend, even the same thing applies with the advertisements. The product, maybe the product has that quality or not, but if you are viewing you're watching the advertisement of that particular brand again and again, you feel like this is a good product, I should go and buy that product. Because self leadership does not matters here कि वो जो दिखा रहा है क्या वो वाकई में अपने प्रोडक्ट में वो चीज डाल रहा है. What matters is जो दिखाया जा रहा है, right? So that's what we are absorbing, that's what we are practicing. So try to understand, one is what you know and one is what you practice. And what you practice, you will become that, and you are becoming that. That is why self leadership is still in the rare zone. Because we are practicing what we are looking around. The other thing is still our knowledge stuff in the books or in the motivational messages you get. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ji. So
Yes.
can any one of you guess on this thing, that what should be the characteristics of the person having self leadership? क्या characteristics होने चाहिए, distinguished for particular features?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Can I answer it earlier and put this question put together?
Sure, sir.
Yeah. Little add on. And I can't say add on. My perspective.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, sir. Sure. Go ahead.
Okay. You know, we make a personality by acquiring values. I'm coming to that. As we start growing, we have family values in the family where we grow. We have social values, the kind of religious background I have. हमारे दिवाली होगी या हमारे ईद होगा, उसमें किस तरह मिठाई बनाई जाएगी, किसे मिला जाएगा लोगों को. So we have the values we start picking up right from the day born. And then we go to colleges, schools, we may go to convent school, we may have Christianity values, we may go to totally religious Hindu school, they will teach you, the Bharat ke upar kya bolna chahiye, something. So we pick up a personality with right from the day we start growing. It may be social values, community values, national values, professional values as we get into the corporate. Those are very clear. If you are in sync with the values, what you're acquiring, you will pick up a personality of a type. You will be called that person. If you're not in a sync, you are faking, but you are not there. Honesty is a value, which is a part of a personality. Loyalty is a value, part of personality. Character is a value, part of personality. If I am not acquiring that when I'm growing, so naturally I will not be able to be a self-leader. I may be showing off that I'm a self-leader, but I may not be, because my personality is in split. So as a self-leader, when we talk about character or other stuff, it is an ongoing process. We are what the values we acquired. And if I practice the values I acquire, I'll be the self-leader. If I'm not, I may be showing off a different face to the environment.
Very true, sir.
That's my perspective.
Very true, sir. But the values which you are speaking is the tool. I am asking about the characteristic of being self-aware, of being getting self-leadership. Values is the tool.
honest to oneself, regular to one thing to improve, giving time to oneself,
Okay.
and getting peace, inner peace, so that we can focus on ourselves.
Okay.
I guess this is not characteristic. This is I'm sorry.
Self-assessment.
सेल्फ असेसमेंट ओके चलिए
I
राइट
think here उसकी लाइफ में एक बैलेंस होता है, मतलब उसकी लाइफ में सब चीजों में उसने बैलेंस कर रखा होता है,
बैलेंस हाँ
कॉन्फिडेंस होता है उसको अपने आप में, मतलब जो कोई भी चीज करता है उसने।
चलिए जी
So maybe the characteristics you already said in one of the slide, you got to be humble, got to be self-reflective, take criticism, self-reflection and all. Some of the characteristics you already said in one of the
yeah
slides.
collectively that of course is giving us a term self leadership मतलब उन qualities को मिला के ही बना है but let's go forward what I have okay जी so one characteristic is self awareness. So earlier, as the Sunil sir also mentioned, that self-awareness is very important if you are talking about self-leadership. So self-awareness is particularly, it is a foundation of both EI, your emotional intelligence, and your self-leadership. दोनों cases में self-awareness is the foundation. You should know the solid answers about that who you are. Right? So going back to the checkup, which you all have done. So it is taking you to somewhere there. Now you can, check your question and answers again, that how much self-aware you are about yourself. This will help you. And capacity of self-awareness determines our self-leadership potential. That's very important. जितनी कैपेसिटी है खुद को जानने की तो मान लीजिए उतना पोटेंशियल है आपके अंदर सेल्फ लीडरशिप। अब ये कैपेसिटी कैसे डिसाइड होगी कि ये क्वेश्चन आया ना, आप कितने बारीकी से और तरीके से गहराई में जाके आप उसका आंसर से राइट एंड क्वेश्चंस भी ऐड टू दिस बट राइट नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन आया व्हिच आई हैव गिवन टू यू। Ability to recognize and understand our moods, emotions, drives, and how they all, it's very important, which I am now going to speak, affect others. So self-awareness is not about only understanding and recognizing your moods, emotion. Okay, I have understood about myself. ये है पढ़ा, ठीक है पता है, okay कर लेंगे, yeah I know, but at the same time you should know that how it is going to affect others. Are you with me?
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
अब एक बार से दोबारा you recall the questions which I asked you, go to the checkup and see self awareness के लिए, relate with this and go to that questionnaire. So this is the first characteristic which is required if we are talking about self leadership. You should know ability to recognize कि हाँ जी अभी मूड ऐसा है, इमोशन ऐसा जा रहा है. You have to become observer. Please highlight my word here, observer. ठीक है, क्योंकि one we know, we keep on saying this thing कि भगवान जी का कैमरा तो चल रहा है, there is someone who is observing us all the time, लेकिन वो किसने देखा है उसका तो पता नहीं कब न्याय होगा नहीं होगा. First of all, we should become observer of our own self. Am I right or not? Yeah. So that is very important. First of all, become self-aware about yourself. You can observe STP. What does STP stands for?
Straight through.
Situations, thoughts, and people. Okay? So self-awareness is all about where you can observe situation. Yani ki, when you can detach yourself as a third person, that is called self-leadership. Abhi normally what we do, everything we know, but we cannot detach us from the situation. We get involved in the situation, and that's why we are not able to make right decisions, because we get overwhelmed with the emotions. Right? So one self-awareness is all about observing situations, thoughts, and people. And then this self-awareness helps you in self-assessment. वही क्वेश्चन आए वापस आ जाता है. ठीक है जी. of your current emotional state and drives, आपका drivers क्या है behind your behavior. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ji. So, are you rigid? How many of you say yes? Are you rigid?
लाइफ में होता था मैम रिजिड कि हाँ ये करना तो ये करना ही है.
About yourself, rigid in the sense that about your behavior, about yourself.
Yes.
बस only one person is rigid. बाकी सब क्या है?
rigid.
So let me tell you, if you are rigid, so being rigid blocks your self-assessment. Likewise, go back to the question आया. बहुत सारे ऐसे अंदर से जवाब आ भी रहे होंगे, लेकिन मन कह रहा होगा ना ना ना, नहीं नहीं ऐसा तो होता ही नहीं है ना, इतना तो बनता ही है, इतना तो मैं कर ही लेता हूँ, नहीं नहीं नहीं. और one thing you have decided, तो उसमें change नहीं आ सकता. So if you are rigid, it is blocking your self-assessment. Okay, ji. What is it written on the slide? And who is aware about this? कि ये है होता क्या है? कौन बताएगा? Any idea? चलिए, let's try it out. Give an attempt.
आज फिर वाट लगी.
हाँ?
आज फिर वाट लगी type sentence.
Okay. And
मर गए.
Okay, अच्छा. Okay, I think almost you have heard about a person who is very famous, Daniel Goleman.
Disapproval kind of.
Disapproval, sense of humor.
हमसे ना हो पाएगा line.
हमसे ना हो पाएगा, चलिए. नहीं, लेकिन आपने सुना है डैनियल गोलमैन के बारे में? नहीं, किसी ने भी नहीं सुना. So he is the person who is basically a science journalist. He has written so many books on emotional intelligence, so many books. So he has done a lot of research on this, which says कि जो लोग अपना मजाक खुद बना लेते हैं, अपनी कमियों का मजाक खुद बना लेते हैं, they people are more self-aware. कितनी अटपटी बात लगी है.
Pardon? The people are more
self-aware.
Self-aware.
He is the person who talks on emotional intelligence. जैसे हम, few people are sensitive. कोई और बोले उससे उनको बहुत फर्क पड़ता है, और अपना खुद का मजाक बनाना तो बहुत दूर है. And self-deprecating sense of humor means जहाँ आप अपने बारे में सेल्फ अवेयर हैं, यू नो दैट यू हैव दिस वीकनेस इन यू, और आप खुद अपनी टीम के आगे, किसी के आगे आप ये चीज एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, मजाक में बोल रहे हैं. दिस एट द वन साइड इट इज will make your good relation with your team. Sometimes what we do as a leader, we try to hide it, though people know that you have this particular problem. Maybe you are short tempered, तो आप मजाक में भी ये बात कह सकते हैं कि फिर तुम्हें तो पता ही है ना कि फिर मेरे को जल्दी से गुस्सा आ जाता है. So this is something जहां आपने खुद मजाक बना दिया अपनी. So one, it is showing that you know that this is your weakness. One line I would like to speak here, that the biggest strength is knowing your weakness. How many of you would agree with me? Right? Yes, please. Are you with me? I cannot see any yes. Okay, ji, yes. Okay. So कितने लोग आप में से you do this self-replicating sense of humor? If yes or no, anything, please write it down. Yes or no? Who is good at doing this? No one?
That's fine.
Oh, so it means कि या तो हमें पता है but we are not admitting that and we don't want to get it, coming front end of other people. But if you are more self aware, तो आप खुद का sense of humor में अपनी वो बात बता सकते हैं. That is being more, because again I would repeat that particular line, that your biggest strength is knowing your weakness. Okay. Coming to the, अच्छा यहाँ पे I would like to ask, अच्छा okay, let me cover then first another characteristic, then I will ask. Another characteristic is self-regulation. जो लोग अपने emotions को they can regulate, they are considered to be more trustworthy. Do you agree? क्योंकि अगर हम रेगुलेट ही नहीं कर पाएंगे इमोशंस को, अभी गुस्सा आया तो आप हो सकता है उस इंसान के बारे में मे बी यू रिवील सम सीक्रेट्स, यू टेल टू समवन एल्स, या मे बी आपको बहुत आप खुश में है, यू आर इन अ वेरी हैप्पी स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, तब भी. तो इफ योर इमोशंस आर नॉट रेगुलेटेड, so you are not considered to be as a trustworthy person. I am not taking it as like extreme parts, I'm taking it considered to be as more trustworthy people who have are self-regulated, they have regulated the kind of their emotions. Any doubt here? So once if we can observe our emotions, we can see our moods, how my emotions, my behavior, my drivers are going to impact others. I could regulate my emotions, and one, I could regulate my emotions, I can be more social with people, develop better and long-term relationships, because I am going to be more trustworthy. This is one of the good quality of the self-leadership, right? And all of us, if we are in corporate, we will be in corporate, or maybe entrepreneurs doing your own business, we all have teams. So being trustworthy is very important for developing any relationship, whether it be your professional or your personal relationship. Moving forward, what is self-regulation? Is it repressing your impulses or being flexible, open to change and comfortable with ambiguity? क्या लगता है आपको?
Being flexible and open to change.
So self-regulation does not mean कि खुद को दबा देना, वो भी अंदर से कोई बात आ रही है, कुछ वो कर रहा है उसको नहीं. It means that you have to be flexible, open to change. That is self-regulation. Next characteristic is internal motivation. अभी तक हमने दो पढ़ी, one is self-awareness, second is self-regulation, and third is internal motivation. क्या होती है internal motivation? Any one of you? अच्छा चलिए, let me ask this in this way. पैसे और स्टेटस से ऊपर उठ के कौन काम करता है? Who has the motivation to work above money and status in life?
Yeah, shall I?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we generally put motivation in two dimensions. One is extrinsic, another is intrinsic. Extrinsic is, you look at and you do it for the environment, look at outside and do it. Maybe attain more positions, want more money, want a bigger status in the environment, which motivate you to work hard. Intrinsic is you do it for yourself. It makes you feel good. It is something you are connected with, not because you are looking at money or some status, because it makes you feel good. You want to contribute internally to the society, not by opening up NGOs and then doing it by requiring money and stuff like that. Something you're doing out of yourself.
Yes, sir. That's what my question is, sir, here.
Which motivates?
That do you work, sir, beyond money and status? Do you have that internal motivation?
Me?
Yes, sir. Intrinsic motivation
yes.
we are talking about. Yes. So the
Yeah,
same question, my question is for everyone here. Do you have that internal motivation? So what does internal motivation talks about here is that these kind of people, they have mission in their life. They believe more in destiny, what is the calling, and actualizing potentials, capacities, and their talent. They work beyond पैसा और status के ऊपर काम करते हैं because the people want to work for their talents, for their potentials, for their capacities. They believe in destiny and they have a mission. They just have to achieve their mission in life. They don't work for money. They don't work for status. Because what even I believe in my life, these are the kind of byproducts. This you will get. If you will have internal motivation, you will be definitely doing something for the society. If you have a mission, in your mission, you have something for yourself and for your society also. So that money and status is going to, you're going to get that in your life automatically. But what matters is that where you are aligning your daily practice. Is it for money and status, or it is for your mission, your destiny, your potential capacities and talent? So this is another characteristic of a person who we are talking about leadership, right? And another quality, internal motivation, the person is optimistic. हर चीज में उसको पॉजिटिविटी, एक उम्मीद है. He looks for optimism in every situation, every whatever is happening in the life, right? Okay. Next two characteristics, one is empathy and another is social skills. Okay, I will explain empathy. If any one of you feel like you don't know, then only I will go in detail about empathy. You can write, you can open your mic if you want to know about what is empathy. मैं short में बता देती हूँ that empathy is stepping into other person's shoes. अपने आप को दूसरे की जगह पे रख के समझना. Anybody? Let me see. I cannot see the chat box. Okay. I know. Okay. So nobody wants to know. Empathy, basic. I have given you a short understanding about this. कि जब आप दूसरे के emotions को समझ सकते हैं, you keep yourself into other person's shoes. Okay. So another characteristics of self-leader is that person should be empathetic. And now is social skills. Social skill is what? जहाँ you build your rapport, you talk to people. आप जहाँ जाते हैं, आप वहाँ बात कर रहे हैं उनके साथ. You know that how to initiate the conversation, or you connect with people. So here even the art of storytelling will work. So it basically talks about if the person is working on self-leadership, he or she should have the characteristic of social skill. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So now tell me one thing. क्या होगा? What if अगर सब लोग सेल्फ लीडरशिप पे काम करें, everybody becomes self aware, self regulated, और internal motivation, क्या होगा? Let's for a while एक imagination करते हैं कि ऐसा वर्ड, ऐसे लोग आसपास, क्या लगेगा आपको? What will change?
It's something like automation.
Automation हो जाएगा.
Positive vibes.
Okay, how it will impact your life? What will
Positive vibes will come.
Positive vibes will come. Okay, and
Satisfaction will be there. Peace of mind. And
peace of mind, satisfaction. Okay, and सोच के
There
देखिए.
will be
Visualize.
honesty, and the people will understand other as well.
Other as well. तो मतलब क्या होगा?
Nobody will need another leader.
Now, in other terms, जो हमने अभी देखा नहीं है, that heaven looks like what, but वही बात है, धरती पे स्वर्ग.
बोलने ही वाला था मैं.
Okay, so अच्छा थोड़ी देर के लिए please visualize this picture in your mind. where people are more authentic, you know, they know about themselves, they care about your emotions, they, you know, are more compassionate. थोड़ा सा सोच के देखो, and I have a good feeling. दिल है कि मान रहा है या नहीं मान रहा है?
Ma'am, we can only imagine these things.
No, you know, but okay. See, we are around 18, 20 people here. If we start, you know, we know how many people we know in our life. If we will start from ourselves, we will impact others also. So one day it will happen, but everybody has to start with their own, right? So that's why we are talking about self-leadership, not leadership. Okay, so moving forward, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स के बाद हमारी नेक्स्ट आती है क्वालिटीज, राइट? क्वालिटीज में सबसे पहला यू कैन रीड इज क्यूरियोसिटी. क्या होती है क्यूरियोसिटी? किस चीज की क्यूरियोसिटी?
To know something.
Experience or gain knowledge.
Now there's so many things which we know blindly we are following in our life. Let's suppose if we talk about solar eclipse also today, we don't know. बाहर नहीं जाना है, put basil leaves, don't touch anything, this and that. But I don't have any particular logic behind that. Only the pundits and the tarot card readers, they all have a lot of stuff to speak on this. But I don't have any logical reason. Though I am not against you know, that thing. There must be some reasons. Maybe the rays are not good, which I could take as scientific reason. But what self-leadership says about it, have that curiosity to question these things. कि क्यों, कैसे, क्या, मतलब what is behind these things all. Don't, you know, just blindly follow everything. So this is one of the quality you should possess if you are on the path of self-leadership, being curious about things in your life. Second is honesty. Honesty किससे? लोगों से या खुद से?
खुद से होगी तभी और लोगों से भी
खुद
होगी.
से. Okay जी. So it talks about integrity to observe. कि आप अपने साथ honest हैं. You're not denying if you can see something which is not good, which should not happen. So you should be solid, you know, honest with yourself. This is very much required in self-leadership. Then is accountability. Accountability जिसमें होगी, the person who is responsible, whatever is happening, the emotions, you know, even the decisions the person is taking, even for the emotions the person is getting, he or she, you know, finds himself or herself accountable for their actions. They don't blame people. I'm repeating it again. What we do most of the time, we blame people. We are not accountable of our own reactions, our own emotions. This is the person who is the hallmark, which is going to be the hallmark quality of mature adulthood, which I told you earlier. कि 3% लोग हैं जो सिर्फ mature adulthood तक पहुंच पाते हैं. और वो कौन लोग होंगे जो इस क्वालिटी तक पहुंच पाएंगे? जिनमें accountability. क्यों? The more you will be accountable, more you will try to change yourself. You will take responsibility of yourself, and taking your own responsibility is the biggest quality of the person who is on the track of self-leadership. Next is self-discipline. Vigilance and strong personal will. Vigilance of what? Being your own observer, where you can see कि क्या गड़बड़ हो रहा है. Like suppose अगर you are you have decided to lose your weight, तो ये नहीं है कि अगर कोई देख नहीं रहा है तो चुपके से जाके आप खा लोगे. लोगों के लिए नहीं करना. It's about yourself, where you are, you know, your own vigilant. That is self-discipline. अच्छा, let me if we have covered so many things there. Next is courage, है ना? Face your shadow. Courage is what कि where you can face your weakness. जहाँ आपके अंदर उतनी courage, अपनी power है, जहाँ आप अपनी बुराइयों को देख सकते हैं, अपना सकते हैं, मान सकते हैं. You should have that courage in you. Do you have that courage? It's not about खुद को पता हो, जब कोई दूसरा भी बता रहा है. You have that courage that you accept and that you take it like yes. Facing your shadow. Courage means facing your shadow, your dark part. अच्छा, any one of you could relate with this, any of the quality and any incident of your life you would like to share with me, where you felt like that here self-compassion helped you, or the courage of knowing your own weakness helped you, or the honesty about yourself, anything you would like to share with me or with all of us, जहाँ आपको ये लगता था कि नहीं, this calls for my honesty, I should go and tell, I should not do this. No story with anyone? Okay. So next is self-compassion and self-criticism. Am I audible?
Yes.
Self-compassion versus self-criticism. What we do normally is self-criticism. और अगर आप self-criticism करेंगे, you can never grow. You will never get results. Self-compassion is again, being gentle with your own self, humble with your own self. खुद से प्यार करना is first of all important, because if you will not love yourself, how can you give love to others? है ना? If your own glass is empty, how can you give water or something to anyone else? So first you need to fill in your glass with compassion and love. Only then you can be empathetic with people. Do you agree or not? Okay. Next is assertiveness. Assertiveness is again aggressive और passive के बीच का रास्ता. Standing for yourself without going to either stream. ना तो हम बहुत गुस्से में जा रहे हैं, ना हम उसको इग्नोर कर रहे हैं कि छोड़ो यार, बात करने का फायदा ही नहीं है, और या फिर हमें लगता है कि नहीं, हमें तो सीधा गुस्सा करके करना है. तो assertiveness is sitting, discussing with the person. That is called assertiveness. Once you will control, have regulation on your emotions, then you will calm yourself, and then you will be in a situation of talking assertively with that person. And another is willingness. Willingness of what? Willingness of this thing कि आप खुद, you are resisting yourself to your growth. इस चीज को अपनाना. ये बहुत डीप बातें हैं कि पहली चीज हमें लगता है कि शायद हमारी ग्रोथ जो है वो लोग रोक रहे हैं, सोसाइटी रोक रही है, सिचुएशन रोक रही है. But the important thing to understand is that we are, ourselves, we are responsible. We are resisting our own growth. So another quality to self-leadership is that to have that willingness, that acknowledgement that yes, I am resisting my growth. And the last quality is inner faith. अपना अंदर का विश्वास कि हाँ, मैं कर सकता हूँ. How many of you have inner faith of achieving or doing this? Or let's suppose inner faith, let me talk about even the qualities that you have this faith that you will successfully lead this path of self-leadership. Type yes if you have that inner faith in you. Type yes if you have inner faith in you. बाकी लोग are doubtful about themselves. Okay, yeah, Ganeshji, yes. It dwindles time to time. Of course, it dwindles time to time. But coming back to to that thing, daily existence. Daily existence. रोज देनी है. आज, after listening to this session, just closing your laptops, going back again to the same track, because the society we are into, the environment we have is full of people who are leaders but not self-leaders. So you have to decide, you have to be accountable. Again and again, check the questionnaire you have, then go back to the qualities and recheck. See, the next step in this, which comes, is called tools, where we help you to work on to come out with that, how to get that self leadership in life. Let's suppose if I talk about one of those tools is called values. Some of us even don't know कि कौन सी वैल्यूज हैं मेरी लाइफ में और मुझे उसको कैसे प्रायोरिटाइज करना है, किसमें मैं कहाँ लैक कर रहा हूँ, कितना मुझे काम करना है. Second tool is called deciding your vision, right? And third is called identifying your strengths and weakness. This is my another workshop which is paid, because in that I need to work one-on-one on per person. In this first session we have discussed about the kind of basic thing which is common for everyone. That is another thing where we help coming out with self-leadership, right? So with the last thing, we'll do a small exercise and then we will end up with the session. Can all of you, you can, if you wish that you can close your cameras, but I want you to be in a comfortable state. And what you need to do, just open your hands parallel to your feet. Okay? Open your hands parallel to your feet. Don't close your eyes. Just slow down the gaze so that you can decrease the distraction. And relax your eyelids. Breathe slowly through your nose and feel that breath going down past your chest and into your belly. Now, inhale and feel like that your area around navel is expanding like a balloon. When you are inhaling, feel like your area around navel is expanding like a balloon. Now exhale gently like the air leaves inflatable mattress. Exhale gently. Do it the same thing 3 to 4 times. Inhale. Feel like navel area is expanding. Exhale. Like air is coming out from the inflatable mattress. Now look yourself above your head. Be the observer. Take yourself, visualize yourself above your head and observe yourself. And if you have any problem, give it to your mind. Anything happening, just look at your mind, the thoughts coming. Observe yourself standing above you and looking at your mind. What is coming in your mind? What thoughts are coming? And you can now ask yourself that question, that particular thing you need answer, and see what you answer yourself. Any issue, any particular objection or a kind of any you have about your own self, you need to ask, you need to get answers in your life. Why this, how this, when this. Be your own observer. You can try this exercise anytime. Make it a practice of doing this every day, in the morning, even in the night, talking to yourself, your own mind, to get answers, because everything is inside. Nobody is going to answer you. This will help you to get inner faith, and it is basically an exercise on inner guidance. I hope it helped you. So everyone, just be comfortable. Take a deep breath. Okay, so this is all from my side for today's session on self-leadership. And I hope session was productive. I tried my best. And now you're open for your question as answers, because already we are late. It's above 8 now. Time is so you can quickly come up with your questions. Any specific question you need to ask from me, otherwise we can end up the meeting.
No, ma'am, already you solved all the questions, whatever was in my mind. It was really very fantastic session, ma'am.
Thank
Thanks a
you,
lot.
Sonali. Thank you so much. The best is yet to come. Was stimulating. Okay, my yes. Self-aware. You're talking about self-leadership, or it should not go that easily.
Yeah, ma'am. Excellent session. Many congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Can I have one question?
Sure, sir. Sure.
Which is the one quality you feel stands out of the 7, 8, 10? Only one. Though all are very, very important. Any one quality which stands out to be a great self-leader?
If I talk about myself, sir, then I go with self-compassion and inner faith. Because whenever I have setbacks in life or things are not going right, I have that inner faith in me, because I am the person who have that thing, internal motivation. I have that mission and destiny thing in my mind always.
Always say, I can do it. That kind of spirit.
Yeah, because that characteristic is there. So ultimately, qualities is coming. There could be any qualities, but majorly which I work every time with is inner faith and internal motivation.
Very good. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for inspiring.
Welcome, sir. Most welcome, sir. Sir, we learn from you. Thank you, Dhirendraji. Thank you so much. So I think none of you have any question. Okay, Shubham is asking for the next session.
Sorry interrupting.
Yes, sir.
When you said to learn from you, please remember it is a reverse mentorship. Nobody learns from any one person. It is always learning two-way. This is a two-way traffic. It is a reverse mentorship. If I can teach you, I can tell you something good. You also have plenty of things to tell me back. So it is always a reverse. We learn from our children. So it's a reverse mentorship.
That's very true,
I also believe a lot.
Even my daughter tells me so many things. That's very true.
And thank you very much. It was a lovely session, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sonali ji. Great session. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, everyone. And